Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and today's video about algebraic fractions. So here we are applying our both knowledge about the algebra knowledge as well as the fraction. Both combined help us to solve like this question. So let's see how it works. So first of all, here two fraction given and we have to add them. So normal simple rules of the addition of fraction is we need the same denominator, means bottom number, but we don't given. So what should we do? We have to find the LCM of that number. So 2 and 3. What are the, both are prime numbers, so they don't have any common factor. So simply multiply them. 2 times 3, which is a 6. So 6 is our LCM. So what I am going to do here, these two, if I want to turn to the 6, I have to multiply by the 3. So same, this top and bottom both we multiply by the 3. Okay. And here this 3, if I want to make 6, I have to multiply by the 2. So we multiply top and bottom both by the 2. That's it. Let's expand this bracket. So 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 1, 3. Okay. And here it is a 6 plus this one 2x plus 4. Just I expand the bracket. Okay. And over 6. Got it? Okay. Now we have a same denominator. So what we are going to do? We write the denominator 6 and this one we write under the one fraction, over the one fraction line. 3x plus 3 plus 2x plus 4. Okay. And now here we collecting like terms. So 2x and 3x are like terms. So 3 plus 2, 5x and 3 plus 4, 7 over 6. And that's our answer. So I hope you understand here. Let's move on for the next question. Here, both fraction we have to subtract. So first of all, let's check the denominator 4 and y, which are not same denominator. So first of all we find the LCM. So 4 times y, which is a 4y. Here for the first fraction we have to multiply by the y, top and bottom both we multiply by 5. And second fraction we multiply top and bottom with the 4 to make the denominator 4y. Take away 4y. Y times 4, 4y. 4 times y, 4y. Okay, here y times xy. So xy square. Okay. We multiply this one between the multiplication sign. Okay. Take away 4 times 2, which is a 8. Okay. Now I write these things in over the one fraction line. So xy square minus 8 over 4y, and this is our answer, because here we cannot do any further because they are not any like terms, nothing to take out common top and bottom, so we can cancel down. So that's it. Okay, let's move on for the next question. Okay, here denominator. Okay, we given the two fraction and we have to add them. Let's check the denominator. First fraction has a x minus 2 denominator, second fraction has a x plus 1 denominator. So we cannot, if they are not the same denominator, right? So x minus 2 times x plus 1. This is our LCM. So first fraction, which has a already x minus 2, but it has not a x plus 1, which I multiply x plus 1 according to this LCM. Okay, LCM we decide according to that. Plus second fraction has a x plus 1, but it has not a x minus 2 bracket. So x minus 2 we multiply top and bottom. Okay. Now here we expand the bracket. So x times 4, 4x, 1 times 4, 4. Okay, here we have to expand two brackets. So x times x, x square. x times minus 2, minus 2x. 1 times x, x, and it is positive because both are positive, that's why. And 1 times minus 2, minus 2. Okay, plus here first we numerator we expand the bracket, so x times 7, 7x, and minus 2 times 7, minus 14. Okay, we expand the bracket here, x times x, x square, x times 1 plus 1, sorry, x. Now 2 minus 2 times x, minus 2x, and here minus 2 times 2, 2. Sorry, minus 2 times 1, but oh my god, I need more space. So I write this question for now here, 3 2x minus 1, 4 minus 3x minus 1. Okay, so later we write and find it. Okay, so let's continue this question. Here 4x plus 1, plus 4 over, I have to collect this like terms. Okay, in bottom this is the like term, so x square minus 2x plus x going to be a minus x, minus 2 as it is, it has no any like term. 7x minus 14, here x square plus x minus 2x likes term, so plus x minus 2x going to be a minus x and minus 2. See, now we have a same denominator, so we write only once a denominator, x square minus x minus 2. Okay, minus 2, and top 4x plus 4 plus 7x minus 14. And let's we collect the like term, so 4x and 7y both are positive and they are like terms, so 11x, and 4 take away 14, minus 10, and over x square minus x minus 2. So this is our answer. Let's move on for the question 4. Okay, so here 3 over 2x minus 1 minus 4 over 3x minus 1. Okay, let's move for this question. So here what is our LCM? Okay, denominator are different, so 2x minus 1 and 3x minus 1, two brackets are our denominator. So first fraction has a 3x minus 1 denominator not, so that one we multiply top and bottom both, so 3x minus 1 and here 2x minus 1, which is already it has, take away. Okay, second fraction has a 2x minus 1 bracket not, so denominator, so that we need to multiply, so that we write here. Okay, and now let's expand the bracket, so 3x times 3, 9x, minus 1 times 3, minus 3, over, let's expand this bracket, so 3x times 2x going to be a 3 times 2, 6, and x times x, x square. 3x times minus 1, minus 3x, minus 1 times minus 2x, minus 2x, and minus 1 times minus 1, plus 1. Take away, expand this one. 2x times 4, 8x, minus 1 times 4, minus 4, 2x times 3x, which is a 6x square, 2x times minus 1, minus 2x, minus 1 times 3x, minus 3x, and minus 1 times minus 1, plus 1. Okay, here only this is the difference order, otherwise the same denominator. Okay, just here minus 3x first, here back, and here minus 2 back, here front. So that is the same like term. So what we are going to do, we are write only one single denominator, 6x square minus 3 minus 2 going to be a minus 5x. Same thing here. Here minus 5x and here same thing minus 5x. Okay, plus 1. So I write only one time. And top number we write on the same fraction line. So 9x minus 3. Okay, here remember this is the minus. That's why I'm going to write these things in a bracket. For a minute I will tell you why. Okay, this one outside it is a minus sign, right? So when it is going to be open the bracket, it was positive and outside is negative. So negative times positive becomes negative and negative times negative becomes positive. So 9x minus 3 minus 8x plus 4 over 6x square minus 5x plus 1. Okay, now here we have to collect the like terms. So 9x and minus 8x are like terms. So 9 take away 8 going to be a 1. So 1x. And minus 3 plus 4 going to be a plus 1 over 6x square minus 5x plus 1. This is our answer. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching.